Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm making a beetroot bourguignon. So all those rich classic flavours of a bourguignon, but this time using only plants.
So we're going to start with all the classic vegetables for a bourguignon. Take your white onion and we're going to roughly dice this. Once that's diced, set that to a side. Peel about 4 to 5 large carrots and we're going to roughly dice these as well to about the same size as the white onion. Set those to a side and we're going to crush about 4 cloves of garlic with the back of the knife. Peel those and get them finely chopped or crushed. Next, we're going to quarter our butter mushrooms. Seems like a lot, but they're going to cook down in our bourguignon, so get those quartered. Next, get your pan onto a high heat with some olive oil. Roast off your onions, your carrots, and then in with your garlic for about a minute or so. Stir that through, and then we're going to add in some plant-based bacon, which can add some beautiful smokiness to our bourguignon. Cook that out and in with some tomato puree, which is going to give you beautiful richness. Wouldn't be a bourguignon without red wine, so cook that out, deglaze with some water. Next, beetroots, our mushrooms, some gravy, dried thyme, a porcini mushroom powder, and some Dijon mustard and soy sauce. All of these ingredients are going to give a beautiful depth of flavour. Now reduce, cook that out for about 10 to 15 minutes and it's going to be this beautiful, rich, indulgent bourguignon. Simply serve this with some mashed potato. I'm going to finish with some chopped parsley and enjoy your vegan beetroot bourguignon.
I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you have, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.